Before joining Crio, I was actually decent at problem solving, but development experience was something that I lacked. And so I thought I would leverage Crio to learn development and gain some project experience. So that was my major motivation behind learning at Crio. I am Ayush, and I have been a software developer. Like, my major reason why I would rate Crio above any video course for that matter is because there was a lot of avenues at Crio. One of them was learning by doing. I would say Crio has some industry grade projects, right? So based on that, I actually got to know how codes really work in big industries and what are the best coding practices and how unit testing, everything works. There are three things I primarily focus. I would say stay relevant in terms of your skills and industry skills. At every point of time, I know exactly what I am doing because I am implementing the codes. I am provided with a set of resources and a set of tasks which I have to implement. There was good mentor experience. So I would say it was a great overall experience. So I would say it was a good struggle, and I got to learn a lot from that struggle. It was worth it.